needs.
The launch occurred at the International Gorilla Conservation Program offices in Irihija tourism area in the eastern sector of Bwindi Impenetrable Forest. According to Welland Makambo, IGCP Director, the census will provide an updated population count and offer insights into the demographics, location and behavior of the mountain gorillas.
The benefit of the census is it's helped us to determine the status of the mountain gorillas by knowing their numbers, their health, and also because census is more broader, we collect a lot of data and information that help us in the now developing strategies on how to conserve the mountain gorillas.
The 2025 Bwindi Sarambwe Population Survey will be carried out collaboratively by scientists and national park authorities under the transboundary framework of the Greater Virunga Transboundary Collaboration. This initiative brings together conservation organizations, government agencies and local communities to protect the mountain gorillas and their habitat. The census is significant not only for the mountain gorilla population but also for the ecosystem as a whole. While presiding over the launch, Dr. James Musinguzi, the Executive Director of the Uganda Wildlife Authority, noted that the census will provide valuable insights into the status of other large mammals in the ecosystem.
When you do good, and when you feel good, you do good. So I am glad that we have joined each other as partners in conservation to do good for the wildlife resources that have been put in our care. This is great and it's the way to go.
Exercise to give us critical data, as Goma has said, to guide us in policy, to guide us in habitat protection, and all the benefits that come from conservation.
In addition to counting mountain gorillas, the census will also provide the first ever count of chimpanzees in the Bwindi Sarambwe landscape. James Byamukama, Executive Director of Jane Goodall Institute Uganda, highlighted the importance of this initiative.
So the first and foremost thing that we are looking out for is know where the chimps are and possibly know their distribution and start thinking about how we can, through these interactions, when we establish them very well, how to manage the conservation, especially the health factor.
The census is expected to take several months to complete, with the results expected to be released in 2026. According to Nelson Guma, Chief Park Warden for Bwindi Impenetrable Conservation Area, the census will inform strategies for sustainable gorilla conservation and provide valuable insights into the effectiveness of conservation efforts.
We are proud that we did not lose any gorilla and other vulnerable primates, including the chimps. Today I don't want to dish out the chimps. So we are very happy that this is going to take place and want to thank everyone who is involved in this process.
Irene Murerwa, the Chief Tourism Officer of Rwanda Development Board, commended the teamwork that conservationists in the region are exhibiting and expressed optimism that a lot of development will be realized if players continue working together.
Harmonize policies and joint actions to address the interconnectedness of ecosystems. Secondly, the communities near the GVA share strong cultural ties and tradition, fostering a sense of interconnectedness that goes beyond political borders.
The census is funded by contributions from several partners, including the International Gorilla Conservation Program, IGCP, WWF, Greater Virunga Transboundary Collaboration, and partners in conservation. Other institutions supporting and participating in the census include the Max Planck Institute for Evolutionary Anthropology, the Dian Fossey Gorilla Fund, the Institute of Tropical Forest Conservation, Gorilla Doctors / Mountain Gorilla Veterinary Project, Conservation Through Public Health, the Wildlife Conservation Society, Bwindi Impenetrable Conservation Trust, and Primate Expertise.
IGCP